COVID-19. This is the world challenge. No matter who you are, stay home, stay safe, cause the virus is real. It take all over the nation. It take all over the world. Ku zauna a gidanku, ku wanke hannayenku. Cutar nan gaskiya ce, ba batun kabilanci, ba batun siyasa, ba batun addini. Wannan cutar gaskiya ne. We facing the lockdown all over the nation. Challenges all over the world. Can you see people are dying? It is true, I'm not lying. Can you see people are dying? Can you see the Germany? Can you see the Italy? And can you see the UK? Can you see the Americans? This virus is real. And this is Ramadan, the holy month of my religion. We should pray in Ramadan, the holy month of my religion, so that the virus can leave our country. This is Nigeria, north side is my region. The truth is always right. I go by the name of Don G. Oh God, save us from this calamity.